So in this Zumper tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find new construction rentals here on Zumper. So once Zumper's opened up, I want you to go to the location bar and type in your location. I will use New York City for this example. So once you're here on the screen, I want you to go to these top filters bar to where it says more, and then press on that. Then where it says filters right here, popular filters, I want to make sure that new construction is selected. So I'll go ahead and press on new construction right here and then press on view results. Now your search will be refined to listings that are considered new construction. So you can go ahead, check them out for yourself and see what the results are. But this is pretty simple and pretty straightforward. This is how to find new construction rentals here on Zumper. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.